Welcome to this tutorial on how to back up Rackspace emails. In this video, you'll learn easy and effective ways to save your Rackspace mailbox to your computer. Backing up your Rackspace mailbox is essential. It protects you from accidental deletion, hacking, or server issues. Plus, it helps you migrate emails easily to other services when needed. There are two common ways to back up Rackspace emails: the manual method using an email client, and the automated method using a dedicated backup tool. In the manual approach, configure your Rackspace email account in an email client using IMAP. Here are the steps. Open Outlook and go to File, Add Account. Enter your Rackspace email and follow the setup instructions. After adding, restart Outlook. Go to File, Open Export, Import/Export. Select Export to a file. Outlook Data File. Choose the folder and location, then click Finish. Once all emails are downloaded, you can export them to your computer as a backup file. If you want an easier and faster way, use a professional backup tool. Simply go to Open, Email Accounts, and Add Account. Enter your Rackspace login credentials. Now, the tool will load your data. Next, go to Export and select your desired format. After that, click the Browse button to select the location and hit the Save button. That's it. No technical setup required. Automated tools save you time, preserve your data structure, and allow you to export only the emails you need. You can preview your data before migration. It's ideal for both personal and business users. To get started, download the tool from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Don't wait until it's too late. Start backing up your Rackspace emails today. For more easy email backup guides, subscribe to our channel.